Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many people wonder if they can move their old 401k savings directly into a Roth IRA. The good news is, yes, you absolutely can do this, but it's usually referred to as a Roth conversion. This move allows you to take funds that were growing tax-deferred and place them into an account where they can grow completely tax-free. It's a popular strategy for those looking to optimize their retirement savings. When you convert your traditional 401k to a Roth IRA, you're essentially changing the tax status of that money. This means you will owe income taxes on the entire amount you convert during the year you make the conversion. It's important to understand this upfront tax bill, as it's a key part of the process. You can do this directly from your old employer's plan, or by rolling it into a traditional IRA first, then converting it from there. So, why would you choose to pay taxes now on your retirement savings? The main reason is to enjoy completely tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Imagine taking money out when you're 65 or 70 and not owing a single penny in income tax. Roth IRAs also provide incredible flexibility, with no required minimum distributions during your lifetime, giving you more control over your money. While there are many benefits, it's crucial to consider a few things before converting. Firstly, you will pay income taxes on the entire converted amount in the year of conversion. You need to ensure you have funds set aside to pay this tax bill, ideally from non-retirement accounts. Also, think about your future tax situation. If you anticipate being in a much lower tax bracket in retirement, paying taxes now might not be the most advantageous move for you. A Roth conversion could be a smart move if you believe your income tax rate will be higher in retirement than it is today. It's also an excellent option if leaving a tax-free inheritance to your loved ones is a priority. However, every financial situation is unique, so it's always a good idea to speak with a qualified financial advisor. They can help you weigh the pros and cons and decide if a Roth conversion fits perfectly into your long-term financial strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.